Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to use AI.ASK function in Excel. AI.ASK is a function in Excel that lets user use AI directly in the spreadsheet. By using this function, users can directly ask the question in the spreadsheet and AI will provide the response. Let's see how to use this AI.ASK function. Start typing equal to AI.ASK function. Open the bracket. Select the question, close the bracket, click on enter. Here you can see the AI provided the response. We'll see for another question. Equal to AI.ASK, open bracket, question, close the bracket, click on enter. Here you can see it provided the solution. In the same way, we can even ask Fibonacci code in Python. AI.ASK, select the question, close the bracket, click on enter. Copy this one, paste here. Here you can see it has given the code for Fibonacci series in Python. In this way, you can ask any question by using AI.ASK, and this can be used for variety of tasks like including writing text, summarizing and analyzing data. If you like the video, please click on thumbs up and subscribe to watch the AI series in Excel. Thank you.